Can we download voice message in Instagram? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can download voice message in Instagram or not. So let's just dive right into the video and find out. So for that, you can head over and open up your Instagram first and head over to the chat from where you want to download the voice message. So for example, let's say you want to download this voice message into your device. So when we go ahead and long press on those voice message, we don't get the option of, downloading it onto your device. So unfortunately, Instagram has not allowed us with that feature yet. So the only way possible if you want to download that voice message is using a screen recorder. So you can just go ahead and download a screen recorder. Those are easily available on Play Store. You can go ahead and download any of the voice, screen recorder. After that, go ahead and screen record your screen along with the voice message. So when you are screen recording, you can just go ahead and play the voice message. And when you do that, it will record the screen, including your voice message. So that is it for now. That is how you download the voice message from Instagram for now. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.